Hello, hello, hello. So in this particular video, we're going to talk about how you can maximize your brand traffic revenue with broad automation. So uh, usually when doing PPC accounts, businesses encounter a very specific problems where they are usually protecting their brand traffic, and that brand traffic is has the biggest ROAS of them all. So usually how they do it is they either add phrase match keywords in this, or sometimes exact match. Really depends on the case. So they protect most of their traffic in phrase match, most of the traffic in exact match. They usually hit high ROAS, and that's where they stop. A very good way how you can further boost your revenue, sometimes not by much, but still, is if you introduce broad automation. Now, broad automation or broadautomation is pretty much the same approach that you would use for regular campaigns, if you will, for regular search campaigns. But the idea is that you use it on brand, and more importantly, you let the system figure out the sales by introducing negative keywords more sparingly than you otherwise would have. So you introduce fewer of them. And the system takes about, in our case, usually, in my experience, usually it takes about 20 days. But the idea behind it is fairly simple. You introduce broad automation. During these 20 days, you're going to see somewhat of a poor results, and then it picks up and it improves. So in this case, we can clearly see, so this one was started on March 4th this year, and it kind of started to pick up. So this is in March. But then, if you take a look at the situation, for example, yeah, by the way, this is the account where we have around 80K in spend per month. We have been working with this client for a while. It's also in e-commerce. But then, for example, it's already at somewhere at around, well, not break even, but break even for this particular client is 4. But basically, it's profitable here already. But for example, if you take a look at the July performance, it's at 7.68, which is a bit above the account average. The performance, the spend is not a huge one, so this is 1.7K, but still, this is 13K in value delivered that the client would otherwise not get, because it has gone past the exact and phrase match brand keywords, which are already protected. So we have effectively created a 13K in additional revenue using a very simple method, which is broad automation for brand. That's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day. Bye.